How to add widget to lock screen or customize widget on a lock screen on your Google Pixel 9 device running the latest Android 16 QPR2 Beta 1. So if you have any Pixel device running the latest Android 16 QPR2 Beta 1, you can easily add or remove the widget on the lock screen. First of all, lock your Google Pixel device. This is my Google Pixel 8 device. So first of all, lock your Pixel device and swipe screen from right to left to see the new widget lock screen widget option on the latest Android 16 QPR2 Beta 1 update. So here you can add or remove the widget. To remove it, just long press it. To customize it, now here you can see the remove option on your device. Now go back. Again, lock your phone. Swipe the screen from right to left. Now tap and hold the widget, and here you can find the add widget option at the top. So tap on the add widgets. Now here you can see the lock screen widget. Anyone can view widget on your lock screen, even if your device is locked. So here you can see the two option feature. This is the new added, the latest Android 16 QPR2 Beta 1. Also see the browse option if you want to select another widget on your lock screen. So let's first we add the simple your screen time. Just tap on it, tap on add. Now you can see add screen time to your lock screen widget. Now tap on a done to show the widget on your lock screen. Now here you can see how it looks lock screen widget on your latest Google Pixel device running the Android 16 QPR2 Beta 1. So if you want to remove it, just long press it, long press the widget on your device, tap on a remove to remove the widget from the lock screen on your device. So quite easy to add or remove the widget from the lock screen or customize the lock screen widget on your Android 16 QPR2 Beta 1 device. Tap on a done option to save it on your device. You can also customize this setting by open the app drawer on your Pixel 9 device, go to settings, scroll down, tap on a display and touch. Here you can find the option widgets on lock screen in the appearance section. So tap on a widget on lock screen. Now here you can see toggle on option show widget when device is locked. So make sure to toggle on this option to access the widget on the lock screen on your Google Pixel 9 series or Pixel 8 series. Now here you can see when to automatically display lock screen widget. By default set the never. Here you can set while charging or while upright and charging. So select the option you want to show widget on your lock screen on Google Pixel 9, 9 Pro, 9 Pro XL, Pixel 8 Pro and other latest Pixel device running the Android 16 QPR2 Beta 1 version. So select the option you want to automatically set. So this is the all important settings to add or remove widget on the lock screen on your Pixel 9 series. That's it. If you like it, share it. And please hype the video, hype it if you like this video and new picture. Thanks.